there and welcome to video number 6. In the catalog, it's possible to search for items that are in different languages. This may be very helpful for someone who is working on a school or a research project, someone who's maybe studying a foreign language, or maybe someone who knows someone who would enjoy items in a specific language. There are a couple different ways that you can search for foreign language items in the catalog. First, you can use the advanced search option. While in the catalog, go up and left-click on Advanced Search in the red toolbar. Scroll down just a bit, where you find the Language section under Additional Limits, and left-click on any language. What you'll get is a really long list of languages in alphabetical order. Scroll through. It may take you a little bit to find what you're looking for. And then when you're ready, left-click on the language. Now, from this point forward, if you just go down and click on Advanced Search, you're going to get lots and lots of items. In this case for French, some 13,000 items in that particular language. But we can go backwards here. You can also type in a title, an author, a subject, or even say in the top here, find items that have. You can type in keywords. Now, there's always a little bit of kind of a give and take in this. You can try typing something in just in English, even though we're searching for French, or you could try typing the word in French and see what comes up. So for this example here, we're just going to type in dogs in English, even though we're searching for an item in French. And then left click on Advanced Search, and let's see what we get. So initially upon searching, you might be a little surprised to see that even though you searched for a foreign language item, some items in English appear to have come up. This is really common in DVDs and movies. I'll show you why. We're just going to left click on this movie here. Often, even though you've done a foreign language search, the movies do come up because, as you can see here, the movie can be played with foreign language dialogue, or the foreign language subtitles can be switched on the movie. That is very common, and that will occur. It's also possible to find foreign language items under the Limit Search Results panel on the left side of your screen, also known as the filters. Basically, upon doing a search, for instance, I searched for gardening here, scroll down a bit until you see the Foreign Languages section. It's quite a ways down. There we go, languages. All right. As you can see, it normally shows a few different languages. If you don't see the language that you're looking for, click on More or View All, left click, and the list will get bigger. There we go. So say you want to find something on gardening and you want to find it in Spanish. So left click in the box next to Spanish and a check mark will appear, and then left click on Include. And as you can see, we now have some different gardening items here that are in the Spanish language. That's another way that you can find foreign language items in the catalog. Finally, it's also possible to view the catalog itself in the Spanish language. Scroll up to the very top of your screen and go to Select Language. Just hover over it and you'll see English mode and Spanish mode. Left click on Espanol and give it a moment. And as you can see, many of the headings, buttons, and descriptions are now in the Spanish language. If you'd like to switch it back, just go to the top and once again hover over and then left click on English.